Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. Today I'm back with my NailTube friends on another fun collab. This one was hosted by Maria from Uñas Lápiz Lazuli, and these are the beautiful manicures that were prepared. Check the description box for links to their videos. I've already applied one coat of each of these polishes. This gorgeous gold holographic polish from Seche called Noel, Modelones Gel polish in this gorgeous shade, number 8038, and this beautiful orange polish from Lily Cute, LC85. Now I'm going to apply a second coat of each of the polishes. And I'll cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Since this is not a gel polish, I'm going to apply my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat. This is the plate that I'm going to be using. It's plate UR Beautiful 09. Let's remove the protective film. Here's a close-up of the beautiful images. If you're new to my channel and you like my content, I invite you to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button. It's free. To seal in the stamping, I'll apply my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. I'll add a little gold decoration to the center of this image. Here's the completed manicure. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really love the way it turned out. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!